You know visual content is a must for effective digital marketing, but do you know what types of content are out there or which ones work best?
I'm Darlene, this is Emily, and we're going to share the top 5 types of visual content to use in your digital marketing.
Okay, the first and most obvious are great images. Including high quality, relevant images throughout your text content will make folks more inclined to read it.
Whenever possible, create original images or use photos you've taken. It'll give your marketing content that personal touch, not to mention can save you time and money.
Video is another type of visual content that really amps up your digital marketing efforts. It's a fantastic way to quickly tell the story of how your product saves the day for your customers.
In digital marketing, the common types of videos are how-tos, animated explainer videos, and customer testimonials.
Looking for a way to include a lot of data or statistics into your digital marketing message? Try an infographic. Infographics help distill complex information into easily understandable visuals.
If you're not sure where to start, try an online infographic maker like Venngage or Pictochart.
Too much information for an infographic? Create a beautiful presentation about your product or service and upload it to a site like SlideShare. Then just provide a link to it on a social media post.
Just be sure your presentation is totally accurate and that look and feel stays on brand. And don't forget to check your spelling and grammar.
Last, there's screenshots. And no, they're not as glamorous as the other types, but screenshots are a great way to give customers a sneak peek behind the scenes of your product or service and in turn build trust.
Another easy and powerful way to use a screenshot is capturing a customer review or testimonial and sharing it on social media.
So our top 5 types of visual content to use in your digital marketing are images, video, infographics, presentations, and screenshots. I'm Emily.
I'm Darlene, and thanks for watching.